What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every day. Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor, Xado, the marketplace and community app built for car, bike, and truck people. Post photos and videos, buy, sell, bid, and link up at real car meets near you. Download Xado or hit xado.com in the link in our...
So yeah, I'm excited to share that with you guys on momentous occasion. Alright guys, I just linked up with my boy Jake right here. We're about to go and pick up his wallet, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna go ride around and have fun, I guess. I don't know, make videos and see what happens. So yeah, it's exciting stuff. Hopefully we don't get murdered or shot or arrested. We'll see. Any of the above can happen. So yeah, we'll just have to see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. Yo, okay, he was just doing little dips back and forth. Undercover cop just pulled my boy over. I pointed, I was like, me too, and he was like, yeah, and he like nodded. He seems super dope. We should be good. I told you. 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 I told you.
I didn't know. I don't know. I didn't know there was a comment.
He was trying to warm up the tires. We just left.
For what?
We just left. This is a 125.
You're gonna race as you warm up the tires,
Right?
This is a 125 cc. This thing is so slow. I think I recognize you. I was in the Thorin Citizens Academy.
Oh, really?
It was me and my dad. Yeah.
So is that your girlfriend's bike? Or what?
Bro, no! No, bro!
No, I saw the pink on it.
No, bro.
I just don't want you to wreck.
Yeah.
I know, I saw you pull up.
Too many other streets in here.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Okay, haven't been drinking or anything?
No, I don't drink.
All right.
Round foot running north by 251.
River, continuing 51. GPS is showing 51 in Kenya. And 1235.
Taser! Get on the ground! On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
I was not speeding.
Hands behind your back. Let's go.
Fucking no, I was.
Come on. Hands behind your back.
You know that I was.
Right, I don't know for the police if you have a seven.
You fucking profile. fucking profile me.
That's 48 in the back.
Bring your sirens on me. Listen. Come on, Godfrey. How fast was I going?
Now it's in public.
Come on, man. Pull over. Anything on you? No. Pull over. Really, man?
474 St. Louis. Once you're clear, dispose of it. 2-4.
249.
249.
It was 48, 259, 61.
10 for copy. I was in 259. 51. 2 for.
Am I that stupid? Wow. Okay, well, you're going to jail, dude.
Yeah,
Totally
good.
clean. We're going to keep your bike.
Good, keep the bike. Do all you want, man.
Pat it down.
I was doing 65.
Okay.
65,
Coming up to
man.
my school zone.
I was gonna slow down.
Oh, I've never heard that before. Come on.
Are you kidding?
Come on.
Hold on. Oh.
You have any weapons on you?
No,
How's it going?
License, insurance.
Alright. Can I get off?
You may.
Alright.
Operate tomorrow.
Sorry. I was excited. I just got off work.
Not an excuse.
I know. What?
Motorcycle, 21 stand, 0211. Wait 5 seconds. You work that out. Your license, Class M?
What's that?
You have Class M license?
Yeah. And
Any problems with it?
no. Hang on. I have more than one in here. Yeah.
Still in
Yeah.
You have your GoPro on?
Yes.
Cool. Wow, that ball is How old are you?
23.
What year's the bike?
Oh, it's a 99. To KTM.
Huh? Because John popped the wheelie. And he topped that hill right when John was in the wheelie. I tried to get John to stop, but he just kept riding. License, registration, all of it. And insurance.
You'll be alright. Everything's on my phone, boss.
Just pull it up away from you. Step over to your motorcycle, please.
Yeah.
Quebec, November 0612, X-ray. Black and color. Next one. 83837. Yeah, gray motorcycle.
What happened?
Papa 0628 Hotel Mike. It'll be a red motorcycle. Sit right there.
Yeah. What do we?
That's the same car that's pulled John over like multiple times with wheelies and stuff like that.
He's checking us just to make sure we're legal.
Well, me and Noah's not, so that's great.
Why did y'all stop?
Because he pulled behind me with blue lights on, so he didn't got my license plate.
But it's so it's a legit license plate, but you're not legal.
I just don't have my motorcycle license.
Ah,
Motorcycle license or permit.
really?
Yeah.
Guys.
Yep, so this I can go do. Black Honda.
What's up, boss man? What happened?
You guys cannot cruise through town with the loud mufflers like that, and then taking off like you did when you made the left turn onto this street and going at a high rate of speed. We're not going to have that game being played here in Spartanburg.
I didn't even know we was.
Because I know I've been out with you guys before.
This is the first. I just got a bike like last week,
Okay.
sir.
But I've been out with you before, right?
That little small white bike.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't even. Yeah, I don't even know.
With him like 5 times now.
Really.
This is not a. We
I don't know.
play games in Spartanburg.
I know. I understand. My brother's your captain. Thank God it's got a kickstart. I love the torque on it. I'll tell you what, after riding the CRF 250, I couldn't have gone one of those. This is definitely the bike to, in my mind anyway, to convert into a bit of an adventure bike, trail bike. I just think 250 had just lacked the power for me. I know there's plenty of videos on YouTube about, you know, don't buy a 450, you know, it's too heavy, blah blah blah. But for me, compared to what I usually ride, and I'm a 110 kilo guy, this feels right for me. After riding the other CRF 250L.
Good afternoon. The reason I stopped you is for driving over the speed limit. I've obtained your speed between 93 and 90 miles an hour. When you got on the freeway at Mission Road, I was right behind you. When you entered the freeway, I've seen you driving very unsafely throughout the last 10 miles. Is your driver's license?
On Mission Road?
What's that?
You said you saw me on Mission Road?
Yeah, Mission Road when you got on the freeway. From Fallbrook, when you got on the freeway.
We just came from Rainbow. I jumped on we just came from Rainbow. The Rainbow exit.
That's how you get on there, Mission.
I didn't realize I was going that fast. I mean,
okay, look, I'm kind of giving you an out. I don't want to write you a ticket.
Okay.
But you're doing, like I said, I think you should be to 93 miles an hour, and right down here, you're doing about 90. You're just passing everybody. I've seen you pass over 100 vehicles. I'm trying to find out what's going on, why you're driving like that.
Basically, because my buddy's giving me a little time limit to get there. That's all.
Speed limit out here is 70.
Okay.
I don't want you to crash out here. You're splitting traffic, speeding, not even using the normal 1 and 2 lanes. People are going to expect you there. They're going to change lanes, and it's going to cause an accident out here, okay? Hang tight here. I'm not planning on writing you a ticket.
Okay.
I'll give you a warning, but I'll be right back. I need to run your license.
Okay.
Everything checks out okay with your license. I'll let you go without being cited. Don't just speed up on the shoulder. Watch out for the debris.
Okay.
Then pull out into traffic when it's safe and clear. Watch out for that little gap between the asphalt and the concrete. Your front tire can get stuck in that.
Okay.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the Moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.